In 50 years of trading, I have not created a more intriguing, more interesting indicator than what you're seeing now, my cycle forecast. That's the red line. Now notice this extends into the future 3 months. In other words, this peak, which has certainly been taking place in the stock market, was known 3 months in advance, just as this call for a market low in this time period was known 3 months in advance. And the market sell-off that the forecast was showing here should happen in September, well, again, that was known 3 months in advance. Now, it's obviously not perfect, but it has such a great record of showing us 3 months in advance when markets should peak and top for individual commodities or stocks. In fact, let's go take a look at a stock, an active one. Let's take a look at Apple. Here's Apple. Again, remember, this peak that we see in the cycle forecast index was known over here 3 months, that's 3 months in advance. The suggestion of a rally coming in June, July, well, that was known in April 2012. Interestingly enough, the big decline that we saw in Apple was correctly forecast. It suggested a bounce in the market and then down again, and at least as this is being recorded, April 15, 2013, that's exactly what had been happening, the cyclical fluctuations, if you will, of Apple. Let's take a look at a commodity too, because as I said, it works on indexes throughout the world, as well as futures. Let's take a look at an actively traded future. Let's take a look at gold. Looking at gold, again, we see the cyclical forecast was suggesting